Yo guys, what's up? We are back with another video. As you can see, we are 10 minutes late on market open, but it should be okay. The markets are looking kind of good. We can say we don't have any news today, so should be good. But we will see what's the luck today. As you can see, I marked out this SMT here because S&P took out the Asian session highs, while Nasdaq didn't, and both of the markets just took out the London highs, and now I'm waiting for a reaction in this hourly gap, and as you can see, we have an 50-minute order block right here, so we're gonna mark even this out. We will see what the market does. We have it on S&P and Nasdaq. Okay. We are pretty bearish on the 1 hour and on the 4 hours. So before taking any trades, I would like to see a breakout structure to the downside or a market structure shift to the upside. So that way you can take one of the sides and go long or short with the bigger time frames. Even on S&P we are still on S&P actually we are almost bullish. I hope to see this gap fulfilled and then go upper, and so I'm waiting for that. So on S&P my bias are long, while on Nasdaq I'm still waiting because as we can see we broke, yes, we didn't broke this high even with the wing, while on S&P we did. So I'm waiting for a good reaction of the order block or the hourly gap, then we can see what we can do. Okay, so we're getting a good reaction of the 15-minute order block on both markets, on Nasdaq and on S&P. If we go long on S&P, my target are these two. I would like to target the previous New York session high as a TP1 and this high as a TP2. It's not the all-time high, this is the all-time high. So I think this is this is 2 days ago's New York high. I would like to target these 2 points on S&P, while on Nasdaq I would like to target the New York session high, the previous New York session high, that is here, as on the only target. I wouldn't. I will ignore all this because it's like low resistance liquidity, and so yes, it will affect the market, but not as much as the New York session high, the previous New York session high, because if we can see is a permanent high. So while these are smaller highs, and what I usually see and what my strategy says is that low resistance liquidity is more likely to have less reaction on the market. So this is the 2 take profits that I would like to go with the longs today. Of course, I have to still see if the win rate of my funded account will manage this, and I won't blow it, so I will wait. but I see a pretty good reaction, so I think I'm gonna enter on both markets right now. Never mind, I can only put this as a first TP on S&P, because if I enter on Nasdaq and or put the second TP, this TP, I will blow my account. So I will not like to do that. So I will just take this trade today, because it's what I can take without blowing my account. I hope this goes well. It should go well. If it doesn't go well, then I will probably enter on Nasdaq. But at the moment, I can't, because as I already told you, I can blow my account. But I'm gonna still market as I entered the market, because this is where I entered on S&P, and I would be entering on Nasdaq if I could, and this will be my stop loss. So on Nasdaq, I'm not entering, so this is only a imaginary position. It's not a real position. While on S&P, this is the real position, and this is the real trade that I am taking. This is just for experiment to see how well my strategy and my knowledge is getting. I like sometimes to do stuff like this, so I'm gonna leave it like this exactly, and we will wait. Hopefully it hits TP, because yesterday was a LA, but it's part of the game. And yeah, I will see you guys once the trade are completed, and hopefully they hit take profit this time. Okay, guys, as you can see, I exit the trade here, because the market was taking too long to hit the target. my initial target was this, and I exit the market because in less than an hour market will be closed for the weekend, and I don't want to take any trades open on the weekend, so I exit. And on Nasdaq, the trade that I took, for example, that wasn't a real trade, is also going well. So they are both going well. They didn't hit the target, but at least they were right. I think if today there was any news, because it was no news Friday, if there was any news, it probably would hit the take profit, but it is what it is. So I can't say nothing because they were good trades. So now I will see you guys next week, because on the weekend I'm not recording nothing. So I will see you guys Monday. Have a nice week.